Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make rice ghee easy method. Remove excess moisture from cooked rice before frying. Warm a wide skillet and melt 2 tablespoons of ghee until shimmering, then add a single layer of rice. Stir gently and evenly until grains turn golden and release a nutty aroma, about 8 to 12 minutes. Taste and finish with a small pinch of salt before serving warm. Heat the pan thoroughly and use just enough ghee to coat every grain. Excess oil makes rice soggy. Spread rice in an even layer and stir frequently, scraping the pan bottom to avoid hot spots. Aim for even, gentle browning rather than rapid searing so the rice crisps uniformly. Remove from heat when most grains are golden and aromatic, then cool briefly before serving to lock texture and flavor. If this video is helping you, please like and subscribe for more simple cooking tips. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth shifted my thinking about money and smart choices, and I find it oddly relevant when budgeting for quality ingredients like ghee. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Toast whole spices in a little ghee first for an aromatic boost, then fry the rice in the seasoned fat for layered flavor. Keep additions minimal so the ghee's nutty character remains front and center, and avoid overmixing to preserve crispness. Serve immediately for best texture, or crisp a second time briefly before serving if stored. Leftovers reheat well in a dry pan to refresh the crunch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.